Each buffalo is digitally registered and sorted automatically, ensuring peak health and maximizing output.
Scan complete. All vitals optimal.
Direct subject Alpha 7 to the cleaning station.
Inside the world's most advanced buffalo factory, automation ensures peak nutrition, leading to unparalleled. After feeding, the buffalo move to the automated water stations before the milking stage begins. Inside the world's most advanced buffalo factory, automated milk leads to mega profits. The giant buffalo are guided from the smart pens onto the rotating carousel, where the automated milking process begins. Once milked, the robotic arms gently detach and apply a sterile disinfectant, ensuring a clean finish. Inside the world's most advanced buffalo factory, automated milk leads directly to mega profits.
After pasteurization, the milk is rapidly cooled by the glycol system, ensuring it reaches a precise
Inside the world's most advanced buffalo factory, automated milk to mega profits.
robotic arms precisely identify and remove any defective bottles, ensuring that only the highest quality.
From the moment of inspection, our automated systems group the milk, streamlining the path to mega profits with unparalleled efficiency. Inside the world's most advanced buffalo factory, the milk is rapidly stabilized at exactly 4 degrees Celsius before storage. Once bottled, the milk is immediately transferred to refrigerated transport, preserving freshness for mega profits. Inside the world's most advanced buffalo factory, the automated milk shipments are now departing for distribution, ensuring mega profits.
From the factory floor to regional centers, this automated process ensures maximum efficiency and, of course, mega profits.
Efficiency is holding steady at 98%. Look at the revenue accumulating.
Incredible. The mega factory is performing as expected.
Inside the world's most advanced buffalo factory. Automated milk to mega profits.